Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. We have for you here a lovely unfinished 3 levels open floor plan, fully roofed, 6 bedrooms, 6 bathroom house in Twin Palms, Maypen, Clarendon. 4 of the bedrooms are ensuite, and there is living, powder, and family rooms, double car garage, and patios overlooking the plains. The ground floor also has a self contained living area with kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, and ground entry. Overall, this home has 2 kitchens, lots of land space with 13,486 square feet of land for extra recreation, plants and vegetables. This house is priced at Jamaican 26 million or US 165,000. Now, let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.